Hi guys, welcome to SSAC. So are you in class 10th or 11th or 12th? Let me tell you, it is a high time that you should decide that which career option you want to choose in your future. Are you a creative and an artistic student? Do you like to sketch and draw between your classes? If yes, then this video is for you. If art and sketching and creativity is your hobby, it's time that you should opt it as your career. Watch this full video without skipping it because this video can help you decide your future. Guys, gone are the days where engineering and medical were the only successful and reputed fields. Now there are so many career options available, and the only one thing that will make you successful in your career is that if you choose your passion and your hobby as your career, then only you will be successful. So you should identify that actually in which field are you really passionate about, and then you should make it as your career. Guys, design and creativity is everywhere around us. Without designers, there is actually no life, because the chair we sit upon, the bed we sleep upon, the house you are living in, it is designed by an architect, which is an architectural designer. The chair you are sitting upon is also designed by some designer, right? So everything, not only the clothes you wear, but every single product which you use in your day-to-day life has the involvement of a designer. So guys, there is a lot of career options in design field, and if you are really passionate about it, you can be really successful in your career.
The first field we are talking about is architecture. Now, architecture is basically the study of designing and making buildings, okay? If you are a person who really likes to design his or her room, and you are really into designing of buildings and you like to do that, architecture will be something which you will really enjoy. Also, if you are creative along with a little bit inclination towards technology, you like creative things, you like aesthetic things, but you also like to incorporate functionality and technology into things, then I must say you will love and you will enjoy architecture a lot. Next, we have fashion designing. Fashion designing is basically the art of applying design and aesthetics into clothing construction and its accessories. So if you are really a person who is interested and you have a really good fashion sense, you can go in fashion designing. You will love it, you will enjoy it. Next, we have textile design. So textile designing is again a creative field, and it involves the process of creating designs of fabrics, printed fabrics, yarns, fibers, dyeing, embroidery, and design development. Okay, so basically textiles are used everywhere. Textile designers drive the process of creating designs for knitted, woven, and mixed fabrics. Their job requires them to do research on different fabrics and comprehend various dye composition, and they tend to expertise in knitted, woven, or mixed fabrics. So if this is something you are inclined towards, textile design is something you can go for. So guys, then we have communication design. Now, communication design is a mixed discipline between design and information development, okay? So it involves in media interventions such as printed, crafted, electronic media, or presentations to communicate with people through the visuals. ठीक है, जैसे कि the thumbnail you did see of this video, right? So this is also a design. The posts you see on Instagram, everything, like every brochure you see, everything is a part of communication design, that how you convey the information to the viewer. Okay, how graphically you are creating the visuals, how you are conveying, what type of designs you are making on the computer. So that is communication design. And आजकल इसकी जो scope है, that is huge, because everything has come into digital marketing, media, and things like that, right? So the scope of communication design is also very huge right now. So this is something, if you like, you can go for communication design. Next, we have footwear design. Footwear designing is for those aspirants who have been a keen interest in footwear and everything related to it. And footwear designers come up with creative and innovative ideas for shoes and other types of footwear. And this has also a very large scope in the market. Then we have interior designing. Now, if you are really interested in the interiors of the room, suppose you like to decorate your room, your house, and everything related to the interiors, you really like to develop the aesthetics of your house, and if you are really interested in that, you can go for this specialized course. And this is, architects can also be interior designers, so you can see what you like. If you really are into interior designing, you can opt for this course, and this course is becoming really fast and extremely popular in India, and this profession has really gained a lot of demand. Okay. Then we have jewelry design. Basically, jewelry design is just the art and profession of designing and creating jewelries. And again, this career has a lot of scope. If you are interested in this, you can be really successful in this field. Guys, next we have automobile design. Now, automobile design is the process of developing the appearance and to some extent the ergonomics of motor vehicles, including automobiles, motorcycles, trucks, buses, coaches, vans, etc. And if you are interested in this field, you like to do it, nothing better than this. There is a lot of scope of automobile design. We have multimedia design. Now, multimedia designers create engaging presentations of images and information for various media, including web, television, movies, and video games. And though they work in a high technology field, multimedia designers generally need a really strong foundation in art to be successful. If you have interest in this field again has a lot of scope in it. Now we have product design. Now, product design describes the process of imagining and creating products that solve user problems or address specific needs in a given market. Okay, the work of a product designer is to empathize with people, define the problem, create a solution, build a prototype, and test the solution. Okay, so product designing also has a lot of scope because everything you use in day-to-day life, most of the things are designed by a product designer. Okay, so if you have interest in that, you can definitely go for this course. Then we have other design fields like accessory design, leather design, and knitwear design. And design fields are not only constrained to what I have told you today, the list goes on because there are so many things in our day-to-day lives which a designer needs to design. You know, the stages, जहाँ पे movies shoot होती हैं वहाँ के stage designs होते हैं, rooms design होते हैं, product design होते हैं, visual में अगर कोई digital चीज़ है, Instagram post तक design करते हैं लोग, thumbnails design होते हैं, YouTube videos की editing वो भी एक designer की तरह हो सकता है. So there is a lot of scope in design field, guys. Gone are the days where engineering and medical were the only field. Design का जो scope है, that is so much. If you see around yourself only, so many things are there which मतलब almost all the things are designed by some or the other person, right? So that is why the scope of the design is so high and the list of the design fields goes on. So I have told you so many fields today which you can choose on. You can also explore yourself regarding the other fields, and I think that you will definitely do good and excel if you have interest and passion in design.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to press the like button and especially the subscribe and the bell button, because if you don't press the bell button then you will not get the notifications of our new videos, and we are going to upload many more interesting and informative videos for you guys on our channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Comment down below that which video topics do you want us to do further.